Hi, welcome back. So this video is going to be a quick update on the Z80 homebrew computer that I've been building. I've actually drawn up schematics and an earlier version of this that doesn't have an edge connector. I've sent off to PCBWay to get a PCB for it. Again, got to give credit to this bread80.com KH64 website. A lot of it's taken from that, although I've got simpler memory address decoding, so I'm not switching ROM out like he is. I've just got the most basic setup, which is the bottom 32k will be ROM, and then the top 32k will be RAM. So just to show you the PCB layout as well. So yeah, this is the latest PCB layout. Obviously, when the ones turned up for PCBWay, it didn't have the edge connector on and some other things. I did find a problem actually on the PCB I sent off. I'd got the logic gates wrong for the RAM and ROM select, so that was a bit of a pain. So when they turned up, it's no fault of PCBWay, it's my own fault for the design being wrong, so I might have to add some patch cables, also known as bodge wires, unfortunately, but I've corrected that in this version, so if I do send off again, I should be okay. While I've been waiting for that to arrive, I've gone back to the Z80 Arduino Mega test harness. I'll just show you that now. So yeah, I've gone back to this for a while just to try and write a bit of software, like almost as a ROM emulator. So write some assembly codes, maybe even as far as sort of fully emulating the board as it is. Obviously, the amount of memory will be limited on here, but should be able to get something that I can use to help develop the ROM for the computer, and mainly like a machine code monitor. That'd be really good, so you can just basically start writing programs on there. A lot of people have actually used like a sort of Microsoft Basic cut down version of that, but I could eventually try that. I think maybe I actually will go down that route, but for now it's trying to develop a machine code monitor. So I'd also try and show a little bit of this. I don't know if you can see the code. Hopefully you can. So it's just the Arduino IDE. I've written some code which essentially emulates the address and data bus and takes in the pins, the control pins off the Z80, and sort of does the right things as if it was a real ROM and RAM. So we're essentially reading in the control lines as the RD and the WR, so the read enable, write enable, actually reverse the logic here as the comment says. So this is back to like when that's true, it means it's that pin's active, but the Z80 actually has that active low. The same for all the rest of them. So effectively, when the Arduino initializes a little bit of what it's calling the Z80 RAM. So I've got a few programs in here just for test. I think I've got it set to program 2. Currently set just zeros the accumulator. It goes into a loop for actually two, sorry, what's that, F, so that's loops for 15, or is it 16? So for 0. And just increments the A register, and then actually just writes the A register to a memory location, which is 1D. And then at the end of it, after the loop, this loop for like say F at times, just basically goes and writes the value of A into 2 memory locations, so 1D and 1E. So yeah, it's quite good actually. Just run that. I could press reset, but make the terminal bigger. So you see there, it's executing all the code, writing to data bus at the end, and then it eventually reaches the 0x76, which is a halt instruction. And at that point, the code on the Arduino detects its halt and then prints out the memory contents. You see at those 2 memory locations, which were 1D and 1E, actually put the value of A in there, which is F. So this is quite neat. To be able to use this to debug a proper, like a bigger program than these few bytes. So, you know, I've only got like 16-byte program here. There might need to be a better way of loading or initializing this Z80 RAM array. I know you can actually use, there's a quite good website which I'll show called, I think it's z80asm.com. So you can type in assembly online and just press assemble, and it'll give you the code in machine code. Just show you that as well. So that's this website, yeah, asm80.com. I think I got it wrong what I was saying before. But yeah, you could just write in whatever instructions you want there, and then press assemble. Well, all I've got there is LDA 0xF, but yeah, you get the idea. It kind of gives you the listing as well there, so you can sort of type in, but hopefully I can try and initialize that array in a like slightly more streamlined way for bigger programs. Yeah, so that's basically, it's not such a quick update because about 7 minutes, probably everyone's turned off by now. But that's where this Z80 homebrew computer's going. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and it does help the channel. Try and get the number of subscribers up. Maybe it'll give me a bit more time to do some more content. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now.